Okay, let's do the rectangle slide. By the way, on the next 4 slides, there's applications on the very right-hand side. Okay, don't worry about those now. Okay, just don't worry about the part on the right-hand side for now, because we're going to get into applications. Okay, so we probably won't do that for a while, so don't worry about it. Okay, so just the main part. Okay, but let's look at the rectangle slide. Okay, it's showing you a rectangle. Okay, it has a width of 5 and a length of 8. So to find the area, the formula for the area of a rectangle is length times the width. Okay, so take 5 times the 8th. It doesn't matter the order. It could be 8 times 5, 5 times 8. Usually the length is considered the longer side. So I kind of think they should have made that 8 times 5 instead of 5 times 8, because length is the longer side. But that really doesn't make any difference. Okay, 5 times 8 is the length. 5 times 8 is 40. So that means there's 40 square inches inside of that rectangle. Okay, for perimeter. Okay, remember I said there's formulas. If you want to use those formulas, go for it. I have a spot down here, a text box, in case you don't want to do it their way. Because if it was me, I would just add up the sides. I would just say the perimeter is 5 plus 5 plus 8 plus 8. And then 5 and 5 is 10, and 8 and 8 is 16. And if I add 10 and 16 together, I get 26 inches. But you can use the other formulas if you want. I'm not going to mess with that. Okay, you take a minute and find the area and perimeter of the rectangle they give you down here. Okay, pause the video and then see if your answers are right. Okay, so when you found the area, you want to take the length times the width. Okay, so the length, I'm thinking of the length as the longer side, and 14 is the smaller side. So length times width would be 25 times 14. You could use a calculator if you wanted to. I'm thinking this way. There's 425s make up 100. Okay, and there's 3 sets of 4 in 14. Okay, we have 4, 8, and 12. Okay, so that's 300. We have 2 more groups of 25 left, so that'd be 350. Okay, I don't care if you use a calculator on these. Okay, so that'd be 350 square centimeters. There'd be 350 little squares inside that picture, inside that shape. Okay, the perimeter. Okay, I'm going to add a 25 and a 25. I better not put spaces because I may run out of room. Okay, a 25 and a 25 and a 14 and a 14. I'm just going to add up the sides. I know 25 and 25 make up 50. I know 14 and 14 make up 28. So if I add 50 to 28, I get 78 centimeters. Okay, so 78 centimeters along the outside of that rectangle and 350 square centimeters inside of it. Okay, correct any mistakes you made if you did make any mistakes.